In this video, I'll show you how to change the language for your Canon Pixma printer. First of all, you'll need your printer to be plugged into a good power supply, set up and connected to your computer. For this video, I'll be showing you how to do it on a Mac laptop. You'll also need to have the information sheet printed off your Canon Pixma printer. So the way to do that would be to come over to the left-hand panel and you'll find the icon there, the information button. You'll need to press that and make sure there's at least 2 pieces of paper in the machine at that time, and that will print off the information for you containing the password which we will require to enter onto the computer getting into your settings for the printer. So once you have that ready, make sure you hang on to it, because if you print it again it won't contain the password, so you'll need that document again. Try not to lose it and make note of your password as well. So we're going to keep that on the side for the moment. Head over to our laptop, find your way into the settings. Now at this point hopefully you'll have your computer connected to the printer already, so you go into the print and scanners, find your printer there. The Canon E3300 series is the one that I am connected to. Then we need to go into options and supplies. It'll be built to this tab. You'll need to go into the show printer web page, and at this stage is where you'll need your password to log into the website. So feel free to enter your password now. There you are, and just press OK. And this will bring up all the device settings and utilities for you. You're going to need to go to the bottom here to language selection, and from here you'll be able to select from a plethora of different languages. Hopefully your language will be one of the settings on this tab, and you can then change it and adjust as you need to. Of course, make sure you don't put a language that you don't understand, otherwise you may struggle to find this setting again and change it back to your preferred language. So for now, I'll keep mine on English, as I'm a fluent English speaker and that is my preferred language. So I hope this video has been useful for you, and you can also check here your ink levels to know when you need to resupply. If you need to do that, please check out our other videos and we can show you exactly how to do that. Yes, like I was saying, hope you enjoyed. If you do have any other concerns or questions, do leave us a comment down below and we'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. My name's Pat and this is Printers with Pat. I hope this video has been useful. Have a good day.